Hi everybody, welcome back to yet again another episode on this YouTube channel of Cooking with John Grouber. My name is John and today we are going to be talking about microwave popcorn. Today I wanted to stay home and watch a movie on Netflix or Hulu or just cable. Doesn't really matter, I just really wanted a snack. I didn't want a full meal. So, the most convenient thing for me to grab is microwave popcorn. It takes maybe 3 minutes in the microwave, if that, with a couple burnt pieces. I grabbed this one from the dollar store, 3 packs for $1. Not a bad deal. But I also have on hand, and this is usually what I typically enjoy, is the dart for the air popper. Now, because I don't really feel like getting the air popper out, I'm going to microwave it and I'm going to show you how. The reason I'm doing that is, how many of you have actually finished an entire bag of popcorn? Probably everybody. And you think to yourself, oh, that was good, but then you feel kind of full and hey, I'm having dinner later. I don't really want to fill up on popcorn first. Plus, looking at this particular microwavable kettle corn popcorn, it's 300 calories per serving, and thankfully, one bag is a serving. So if you eat half of it, it's 150. That's awesome. Speaking of half of it, each bag is 2 ounces of unpopped popcorn. I am going to do something different, because if you don't eat the whole bag, that bag goes stale, or you throw the rest of it away. Or you have the potential for burning the popcorn and it smells throughout the entire house for days that you burned popcorn, microwave popcorn. I have taken just 1 ounce of the just a regular popcorn. This is a popping breed of popcorn. And I'm going to place it in this bag and pop it. Now it is going to be plain, but I will add, your salt, butter, pepper, whatever you choose afterwards. And this is rather easy. Again, this is only half the amount that you would find in this particular bag. So if this is 6 1-ounce servings, this particular jar is 29 1-ounce servings. Hello, $1, $2.29, $1, $2.29. Now, if 2 of these is $2 and 1 of these is $2.29, you are still making out for the better. So I'm just going to put that right in the bag, and I'm going to seal up the paper bag the best I can. I'm not adding any oils to it. I'm going to keep it light and airy. Again, it's a snack. It's not a meal. And if you want that salty, buttery goodness, you can always add it later. There's nothing special that I'm doing to the bag. I am just going to fold over a corner here, a corner here, and then fold just nice and tight so it doesn't pop open. And then I'm just going to go fold again this way. You see my corners like it's backwards now, and then fold it over and just roll it up. And that should hold all the popcorn in that bag. I have tried using staples. They do not spark in the microwave, but you should not put metal in the microwave. And I've also done tape, but I don't really like the gooiness with the warm tape. The glue kind of melts from the tape, and then you're left with cellophane and glue all over the bag. But I'm just going to leave it like this and put it in the microwave face up. That way it gives room for the popcorn to pop. And it probably I'm going to put it in for 4 minutes and listen to it pop. Once it's done popping, I would say, if I notice like the pops are more than 3 seconds apart, maybe 2-3 seconds apart, I'm going to stop the microwave and enjoy the popcorn. Give me a second and we will be right back with popped popcorn right out of the bag. Put this in here. And there you have microwave popcorn that took maybe 2 minutes and I would say 15 seconds to cook on a high-powered microwave. Again, I just listened for it to pop in, and once it kind of like calmed down, it didn't really, like, I just was like, no, it's time to come out. It still had some pops after the fact, and so here is that delicious popcorn. Missed. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, this is 1 ounce of popcorn and makes plenty for one person for a snack while watching my movie tonight.